Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to install OpenProject on Windows 11 step by step. Step 1. Open your browser and go to openproject.org. And take note that OpenProject is designed primarily for Linux, but we can run it on Windows using a Docker or WSL. Step 2. Install your Docker desktop from docker.com and make sure that it's running on your Windows 11 system. Step 3. Open your PowerShell or command prompt and run this one. This downloads the latest Open Project image. Step 4. Create and run a container by using this command. This maps Open Project to your local port 8080. Step 5. Once it's running, open your browser and go to this site and you will see that Open Project setup screen. Step 6. Follow the on-screen setup instructions to configure your admin user, language, and project settings. And now, OpenProject is successfully installed on your Windows 11 using Docker. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.